Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss the syllabus of Basic Concepts in Education, that is BCE, which is a part of BLEd third year. If we talk about the syllabus, Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, 4, 5, and 6, there are total 6 units, and I will cover each one of them. The most important topic is Unit number 5, that is Philosophical Views on Education, that is our Thinkers chapter. So here, after examining the BLEd question papers of third year BC, I have taken out some of the questions that comes almost every year. So you can take a look at this, and we are going to cover these questions only overall. So you will get ready for the examination. As you can see above, I have examined all the question papers from 2016 to 2023 and have written all the important and repeated question over here. So as you can see, unit wise, I have combined unit first and second. Then unit 3 also is of learner, child as a learner, and also short note comes from this chapter. Then unit 4 of teacher, and unit 6 also the short notes of 10 marks of 5 each comes every year. Also I have made notes of these short notes also. So let us discuss each unit one by one. So in this unit 1, you can see the 5 questions. These are the important ones. So if you do these 5 questions, then you will be able to do the rest of the questions that comes in the paper. So this will be sufficient for the paper if you prepare for this. Also these questions cover unit 1 and 2 complete. Now moving on to the unit 3 of learner. As you can see, one question has come from this unit. Why learner feel alienation in the classroom? Alienation means isolated. So this question comes. So this is a very general question. Also I will provide notes on this question. So let us move to next unit, that is unit 4, that is of teacher. Now teacher unit is a very important unit. Question may come from this unit. If you see this unit, most of the questions are general. So you can answer it in general, like aims of education, that you will also study in thinkers unit also. Okay, then teacher's approach in some situation, and this principle of constructivist pedagogy is from unit 1 and 2, but they are combining the units like 1 and 2 with 4 like this. Possibilities for textual knowledge, learning experience, constructivist approach. This approach is from unit 1 and 2 only. Now teacher's view on nature of knowledge and pedagogic practice. Also this chapter requires your block teaching experience. They will also ask about your block teaching experience. So this is again general. Now next is dialogic relationship. This is a question. I will provide notes to this answer. Next one is the philosophical, sociological, psychological and theoretical framework. How comprehensively understanding all these is important for teacher. Next, moving on to unit 6. This unit is also in general, like marginalization, discrimination, justice, authority, like how the teacher, as a teacher, you will sensitize towards diversity in the classroom. Now next is the role of the government, the role of the state in the issues of access and quality of education to the disadvantaged society. Now next is commenting critically on the access and quality of education. Basically this unit covers the issues in the access of education as well as quality education to those in disadvantaged society. Next is the relationship between education and justice. And fifth one is school as a perpetuated, legitimized and social inequalities and consequences of stratified dash for society. I will cover each one of these questions in the notes. Now let us look at the short notes. First one is discipline in Indian classroom. Next one is discipline important. How is it important component or in the functioning of the school? Also it will require your class experience and reflection on this. Also they will relate the question with the thinkers like Krishnamurti reaction. How will Krishnamurti react on this, and so on. Next is peace education. What is peace education and how this can address the conflict in the Indian classroom. And if you look at fourth question, this one, child is a blank slate. So child is a blank slate, child is a learner and authority in class. So this question requires 2 pointers, like how will the child as a blank slate will be as a learner, and how and whose authority will be there in the class if the child is a blank slate. Now next one, child learn from our own experience. So here it is talking about active classroom, right? So child as a learner, how will the child be as a learner? And next one is authority in class. So how whose authority will be in the class if we say that the child learns from our own experience? So here are four short notes that comes most of the year. Like I have said, from 2016 I have seen. Now next is deschooling society. This also comes in short notes. Next is state provider of elementary education. How state is important in providing the elementary education to the students. So this is all about the syllabus. So now in the upcoming video we will start from unit 1, then unit 1 and 2 together, then move on to learner unit and then teacher unit, and then unit number 6, and also in the end we will complete unit number 5, that is the most important unit. If we would talk about 2024, then most of the questions, almost every question came from unit 5, and one question was from unit number 1 and 2. Also I will show the 2024 question paper here in the playlist of BC. So thank you everyone, and you can find out the videos of BC each chapters by going into the playlist of BC on my channel. So thank you everyone.